the Zoo, the best phonics stories ever, Volume A, Number 1, High Frequency Words, Short Vowels, by Little Pine Education. Take a look at this picture. Have you ever been to the zoo? What animals did you see there? What do you expect to see? Listen to me as I read the story. First, let's take a look at the high frequency words at the zoo. I like the. I like the cat. A lion is a big cat. I like the bat. I like the rat. I like the yak. What's a yak? It's sort of like a buffalo. See the big horns? I like the ram. What's a ram? It's like a sheep. It's got big curly horns. Now you try to read it with me. I like the cat. I like the bat. I like the rat. I like the yak. I like the ram. Let's read it one more time, a little faster. I like the cat. I like the bat. I like the rat. I like the yak. I like the ram. Well, that's the end. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you on the next story.